Right, ready. Bismillah. Okay folks, welcome back. We're still on clip 159, proportionality grade A question. We're looking at a question that involves inverse proportion. Right. So you say y is inversely proportional to x. Okay. Now normally if you write down a proportion sign like this, but when you want to say inverse proportional to x, you put the x now under 1. That indicates that the x is inverse proportion. So y is inversely proportional to x. Now what do we do with this, Ramiz? So the proportionality sign still becomes y is equal to k. But k times by 1 over x basically becomes k over x. So y is inversely proportional to x. It looks like this in our general form. Now we've been told that when x equals 6, y equals 12. So x is 6 and y is 12. We've got to work out the value of k. Now, opposite of divide by 6 Umar is? So 6 times by 12 will give us an answer of? 72. Samir, I'm taking inhaler, Samir. No. Sure. No. Right, so k has a value of 72. Same thing as what we've done before, but now the inverse proportionality means that this last part of the work is now on the bottom. That's what it means, inverse. Okay? That's the difference. Now, this 72 can be put back into the value of k. So I'm going to rub off the k and make my general formula specific by putting in the value of k, which is 72. Can you write yours separately, please, for those of you who are copying in the class? Y is equal to 72 of x. Now we need to work out the value of y when x is 10. So what is y equal to when x is equal to 10? So that has become 10. So y is equal to 72 divided by 10. 72 divided by 10 gives us an answer of 7.2. That's that question done. Alright, are you happy with that, Hamza? Does it make sense?
So is it like concern that side you normally divide and that side you just soften them over?
Which part?
No, I'm just generally like for the other questions and that one divide and that one time.
That's right, yeah, because it's all on one line. Now we've got on the bottom, so it has to be times to work it out. Okay, right. Alright, one more question. It says z is inversely proportional to the square of w. Z is inversely proportional to the square of w. So that looks like that initially. Mr. Saf, you got that down? Z is inversely proportional to the square of w. So that can be rewritten as z is equal to k. That becomes k over w squared. Okay, and it says w is 4, z is 32. W is 4, z is 32. So put those values in. We've got to work out the value of k. How do I work out this value of k?
You times it by 4.
So opposite dividing by 4 squared is?
Times by 4 squared.
Which is times by 16. So the k value is a nice big number. So 16 times by 32, folks, gives us an answer of? 512. So I'm going to go back to my general equation and rub off the k and put in there 512. So they gave us these two values in the beginning of the question. The next part of the question says calculate the value of z when w is 2. Calculate the value of z when w is equal to 2. Now let's write down the formula. So z is equal to 512 divided by w squared, so divided by 2 squared. So z is equal to 512 divided by 4. 512 divided by 4 is?
128.
And that's the end of that question. Okay folks? Thank you very much for joining us on these videos.